Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Family Computer Center. In this section, we are going to discuss about different ways to insert a table into Word document. Table is made up of columns and rows, and this helps us to organize any type of content like text, numeric, combination of text and numeric data properly in our Word document. The first option is we are going to insert by using a table grid option. So the first step is we'll keep the insertion point where we need the table. So here in this document, we prefer the table below the title, table 1. So I keep the insertion point below the title. We click on the insert tab, table drop down button, and move the mouse pointer over the grid so we can see the number of columns and rows. Say now we are going to insert 4 columns and 4 rows, so 4 into 4 table. I click on this 4 into 4 option, so the table is inserted very easily on the document. Now to enter the data in the table, we type a title in the first cell. To move to the next one, we can either make use of the tab key or the right arrow, or even we can click with the mouse pointer. Now, the second option to insert a table. We'll keep the insertion point where we need the table. Then we click on Insert tab, Table drop down button. Selecting this option, Insert Table. So this Insert Table command will help us to select even a auto fit behavior for the text. So I specify here the number of columns as 4, number of rows as 6. Then selecting an auto fit behavior, second one, that is auto fit to condense. Then I click on OK. Now you can see a table is inserted. When I enter a text as column heading, the column width is adjusted with the text. So in the second column, I am entering a column heading employee. So the column width is adjusted automatically to the text length what we are entering in the columns. Now the third option to insert a table. This time we'll make use of the draw table command in the insert tab, table drop down button, draw table option. This draw table command will help us to design our own table by drawing cells, rows, and columns. Let us see how we can draw a table. I can add columns with the pencil like this. For drawing rows, I will add these vertical lines. So this is the third option to add a table into the Word document. Now the last option to insert a table into Word document. This time we will make use of the convert text to table command in the insert tab, table drop down button. So we can convert a text if it is separated by paragraph, tabs, commas, and hyphens. So here I have a text which is separated by commas. I highlight the text. Then we go to Insert tab, Table, Convert text to table. I select commas because my text is separated with commas. Click OK. So that you can see a new table is inserted containing all the text which was separated by commas. So we have seen 4 different ways to insert a table into the Word document. One is by using the Insert tab, Table drop down button, by using this table grid option. Second one we tried with insert table command. Third one was insert table draw table option. And the last one is with the convert text to table. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more useful videos.